Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you get to Utilities. Then expand it. Once you click on Utilities to see all the menu under Utilities, locate and click on Duplicates. Then you should see all your duplicated photos on your iPhone. Now, to delete duplicate photos, you can either go ahead, select merge on the photo you want to delete, or click on select at top right. Then choose select all. Once you selected all, click on delete. Now, this is going to delete all the photos you have here and also delete them from the Photos app. However, to delete the duplicate photos and keep the original one, go ahead and click on merge. Then it should say merge all items or merge the exact copy. So here I'm going to merge all items. Then go ahead and click on merge X number of items. That's it. Now, if you go back to the Photos app, then you should find the photo you merged here. Is that? So those are the photos in the duplicate folder. So instead of to delete them, you can simply delete the duplicated one and keep the original photos on the Photos app. So that is exactly how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.